are going to look at our traps that we are gonna check on. This
Only
might be
one
like,
trap.
yeah, we might be like, this video might be like 2 seconds, but. So I set a trap over here and we're going to check it. Kind of looks like we got something in it. Oh yeah, we did. We got something.
Still alive?
Oh, it got eaten.
Something ate it.
Dude, something freaking ate it. Oh crap, I think I might have to set my big boy traps up. Oh crap, dude. Something freaking ate it. That's bad. Holy crap, something ate it.
No, the lambs they can't eat it.
Oh, dude, what do we... Oh, fetch, dude. It couldn't have been Cora.
Yeah, but she wasn't out.
Yeah.
And if it was Nala, then she'll bring.
Oh, fetch, dude, it got eaten.
Dude, there's red ants everywhere.
It got fetched and eaten.
Still shoot it for fun.
No. There's a freaking head, too.
So it wasn't Nala.
Because Nola eats the head.
Yeah, she'll bring it in the Pontiac.
Well, I'm just going to try to go shoot a bird real quick. Come follow me. Dude. That's sick.
And
I see one. I think I zoom in on it. I think I got it. Got it.
you did.
Yeah, I legit did. Oh no, I didn't.
It was over there on
Okay.
that post.
Okay, see you guys. That's all we were gonna do. I'll see you.
And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.